Are you among those who feel that you have taken a coaching for SSB and it has gone waste? It's quite possible. You may be among many of such people who think like that. But I would ask you to pause. हर एक की जो लेवल है जिस पे आपने कोचिंग शुरू करी है दैट इज़ डिफरेंट. आपका थ्रेशोल्ड लेवल जो है वो डिफरेंट हो सकता है. I have seen people who have benefited from the coaching after 3-4 attempts, right? Maybe about a year, 2 years also. So it does not mean that कि आपकी कोचिंग में जो आपने या गाइडेंस जो भी लिए है, मेंटरशिप किया है आपने कहीं से, सो दैट इज़ गोइंग टू गो वेस्ट. कोई भी मेहनत आपकी वेस्ट नहीं जाती है. वी नो दैट SSB में देयर लॉट ऑफ हर एक बैच में जो है रिपीटर्स की संख्या ज़्यादा होती है और कितने लोग सेलेक्ट होते हैं, राइट? इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस स्टैटिस्टिक्स, I would say not more than 10 to 12% if we talk of, say, CDS entries and things like that. For NDA, it is slightly on the higher side. It could be anywhere between 12 to 18-20% also at times. So that is the kind of average. इसमें भी जो रिपीटर्स है उनकी संख्या ज़्यादा होती है. ना आपने कोचिंग ली है उस टाइम पे शायद आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है वो बहुत नीचे रहा हो. आपका कम्युनिकेशन इज़ क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि दैट मे नॉट हैव बीन अप टू द मार्क. नाउ दिस गेट्स इम्प्रूव्ड. आई हैव सीन केसेस वेयर a person was very underconfident, not able to communicate, not able to interact with other people. Lekin then he took up a job. The way his confidence improved after taking up a job, because there he was interacting with people. He had got that additional confidence. जब उसको एक salary मिलती है, एक तो financial security उसको मिल गई है. And then he can do things the way he likes. He can spend the money the way he likes. And that gives you a lot of empowerment. Different people are at different stages of their self-realization, their confidence. And there was one of my candidates who had appeared for SSB, say about 10 to 11 times. After a few attempts, I knew that he was a person who should have got recommended. Unfortunately, that did not happen. Then, he was simultaneously also trying for the CAPF. And today he is an assistant commandant, right? In the very first attempt of CAPF, he was able to clear and make it through. And he did confess to me, he says, the kind of guidance that I have taken, especially in the interview part, was extremely beneficial as far as the CAPF interview is concerned. So likewise, you find, another guy who just got commissioned, he was confident enough, yet there were certain nuances that he was not aware of कि अपने को कैसे present करना है. That having taken this kind of a guidance, in I think 2 attempts he was able to make it through, and like I said, he's already got commissioned recently. So इस तरह से आपका जो improvement है coaching के through या mentorship या guidance के through will definitely be there if you are sincere, right? So don't think that it is going to go waste. Only thing you need to keep yourself abreast. आपको अपने जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं उनको ब्रश अप करते रहना चाहिए. सो इससे आपको काफ़ी फ़ायदा होने वाले हैं.